Hi everyone, I'm Noktula Dlamini, CS Examinations and Assessment under Umkanya District. Today I'm here at the Riverside Hotel attending a two-day workshop that has been organized at a provincial level, and we have benefited a lot. Today we were looking at the strategies on how to support our progressed learners, because it is really a fact that we do have our progressed learners in our districts of which are struggling, and we had to craft the strategies going forward, because at the end of the day we want to ensure that the quality of learning and teaching is not compromised, not forgetting those that are not performing very well. And we have taken a decision going forward to say, as the province of KwaZulu-Natal, one of our responsibilities, more especially as districts, is to ensure that we improve performance of the class of 2026. We cannot afford a situation where we'll end up performing below the percentage of which we achieved last year, and we have targets of which we have to achieve. And one of the reasons why I'm saying that is to say, for the fact that as the province we're at 90% and above, and for the fact that as Umkanya we were at 93% and above. So one of the major role of which we normally emphasize, even when we address schools, is to make sure that they achieve the targets of which they are expected to achieve, and not compromising the issue of quality, looking at the distinctions and the bachelor passes as well. And I think going forward, we'll have to go back to our districts and make sure that we implement the strategies of which we'll be discussing today before we leave this session. We really appreciate the opportunity that has been given to us as district. I'm sure that the target of which we are to achieve definitely will make it a point that we achieve them. Thank you very much. Thank you.